For second, when we'll do second derivative test, we'll proceed this way. Suppose a function fx is given, okay, we'll find its first derivative f dash x, okay. After finding its first derivative, we'll put equal to 0. Just like first derivative test में भी यही step होता है. First we differentiate it, put it equal to 0, okay. We find the values of x. Suppose we get some values c1, c2, c3, okay. These are critical points. Okay, now we'll again differentiate it. Okay, when we'll again differentiate, now we'll substitute these values. F dash x कुछ आएगा, we'll substitute this value. Okay, now if this f dash double dash c1 is less than 0, that means c1 is a maxima, local maxima. Okay, and value of local maxima we'll find by substituting in fx. Again, next we'll substitute f dash c2, that if that is less than 0, that is also a local maxima. If f double dash something is greater than 0, that means it is minima. Okay, now if f double dash c is certain value equals to 0, then second derivative test fails. इस केस में जब डेरिवेटिव सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव के वैल्यू उस पर्टिकुलर क्रिटिकल पॉइंट पे ग्रेटर देन 0 है तो मिनिमा है, लेस देन 0 है तो मैक्सिमा है. ओके, और अगर वो वैल्यू 0 है तो सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट फेल्स. ओके, देन वी हैव टू यूज फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट ओनली.
Miss, second fails, we have to again do it with first.
Yes, second derivative test is more easy, so we'll do now by second derivative test only. But if it fails, then we will do by first derivative.
Okay.
Okay. So exercise 6.5, first question. We'll be doing from first question because you have done homework by first derivative. We'll be doing now by second derivative. Fx is given. Fx equals to 2x minus 1 the whole square plus 3. So first step is finding its first derivative, that is equal to 2 into 2x minus 1. Okay, into divide dx of 2x, so it is equal to this. Okay, now finding second derivative of this, second derivative of it is 8. Okay, तो पहले तो critical point find करेंगे. f dash x equals to 0 put करके 2x minus 1 equals to 0, x equals to 1 by 2. तो ये तो critical point आया. Anyway, f double dash x is independent of x. कुछ भी x की value हो, f double dash x तो positive ही है. f double dash x is greater than 0. That means x equals to 1 by 2 is a point where minima occurs. Okay, is point at which minima occurs. Okay, and value of minima, we have to find maximum and minimum value also. So value of minima will be f of 1 by 2, that is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 the whole square plus 3. So that is equal to, this will get cancelled, 1 minus 1 0. So this is equal to 3. First derivative, that is equal to 18x plus 12. Okay, for finding critical point, 18x plus 12 equals to 0, or x equals to minus of 12 by 18, that is equal to minus 2 by 3. So this is the critical point. F double dash x is equal to 18. So whatever may be the value of x, f double dash x is independent of that and it is greater than 0. So minima at x equals to minus 2 by 3 and value of minima equals to f of minus 2 by 3, that is equal to 9 into minus 2 by 3 the whole square plus 12 into minus 2 by 3 plus 2, that is equal to 9 into 4 by 9 plus 2, that is equal to 8 plus 2. 4 minus 8 plus 2, that is equal to minus 2. So value of minima is this, okay, and the point at which the minima occurs is this.
Okay.
Fx equals to minus of x minus 1 the whole square plus 10. First differentiation, that is equal to minus of 2 of x minus 1. Okay. Then finding the critical point. For finding critical point, putting f dash x equals to 0. That is minus of 2 into x minus 1 equals to 0. X equals to 1 is the critical point. F double dash x, that is equal to minus 2. So it is also independent of this value of x. Okay, f double dash x is less than 0. So that means maxima occurs. This is point of maxima. Maxima at x equals to 1, and maximum value of maxima is equal to minus of 1 minus 1 the whole square plus 10, that is equal to 10. So this is the maximum value, and point where it occurs is this.
Okay.
Okay. Gx equals to x cube plus 1. Okay. Finding first derivative. First derivative is 3x square. Finding critical point by putting it equal to 0. So x equals to 0 is the critical point. Okay. Finding its second derivative, that is equal to 6x at x equals to 0. G double dash of 0 is equal to 0 only. So second derivative test fails here. Okay. Okay. So what we'll do? ये तो critical point है, number line बनाया, ये critical point है, ठीक है? Critical point के इस side और इस side will find the values of g dash x and check how its sign is changing. So before 0 suppose minus 1 put किया, तो minus 1 g dash x में अगर minus 1 put किया तो it is positive. Plus 1 put किया, then also it is positive. Okay, that means this is point of inflection. Okay, so this is the point of inflection. Okay, and here no maxima or minima occurs. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This we have.
Ma'am, can be a point where the like point is not of inflection and still second derivative test fails?
No, second derivative test most will fail there only.
But ma'am, like, is there a possibility, ma'am, if second derivative test fails?
Find the maximum and minimum values, if any, of the following function given by first fx equals to mod of x plus 2 minus 1. Okay. So when we have modulus function, we can't differentiate it like the normal functions. So what we'll do is we'll write the definition of the function. Okay. Definition of the function is when x is less than minus 2. Okay. It is minus of x plus 2 minus 1. When x is greater than or equal to minus 2, it is x plus 2 minus 1. Till you know the definition of modulus function, right? Is there any doubt in this if I expand this and write this way?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So again rewriting this, minus x minus 2 minus 1. This is minus x minus 3. This is x plus 1. Okay. When x is less than minus 2. When x is greater than or equal to minus 2. Okay. Now, when we differentiate it, okay. So, differentiation of this will be minus 1. This will be plus 1 when x is less than minus 2 and x is greater than or equal to minus 2. Okay. And at x equals to minus 2, function cannot be differentiated. जो point of discontinuity होता है, at that point we can't differentiate it. Okay, the point where the definition of function changes. Okay, at x equals to -2, it is not differentiable. Now, slope of x -2 के पहले और -2 के बाद. Okay, the slope f dash x was less than 0 and f dash x was greater than 0 at -2. Basically -2 was the dividing point. Okay, so what occurs here by first derivative test?
Ma'am, f double derivative x it would be, no?
No, we have first derivative तो है. Single derivative.
Why are we taking it less than 0 here?
What? Why?
Why are we taking it less than and greater than 0?
No, I am not taking this. ये देखो, अगर ये -1 है तो ये less than 0 है.
Yes, ma'am.
So when we check by first derivative test में क्या करते हैं कि slope, how do we check that slope? It is coming negative or positive. Negative और positive के लिए तो less than 0 greater than 0 ही लेंगे. Here
Yes,
the
ma'am.
slope is negative. Here slope is positive. Okay.
Yes.
So if slope is becoming negative to positive at x equals to -2, so I am asking x equals to -2 is which point?
Minima.
Yes. So x equals to -2 is the point where minima occurs. Point of minima. Okay. Now, what is the value of this function at x equals to -2? So we'll substitute in the function x plus 2 -1. यहाँ पे अगर -2 substitute किया, तो this will become 0. So f x equals to -1 is the minimum value of the function, and it occurs at x equals to -2. Second question, second part. Gx equals to minus of mod of x plus 1 plus 3. Okay, so we'll write this function as minus of x plus 1 plus 3 when x is less than -1, less than -1. Okay, and minus of x plus 1 plus 3. Sorry, when x is less. And it will be minus of x plus 2. Okay, when x is greater than or equal to -1. Okay, so when we find g dash x, function is not differentiable at -1. It is continuous at -1, but it is not differentiable at -1. Okay, so except -1 we can differentiate it. F dash x equals to, or g dash x equals to 1 and -1 for x less than -1 and x greater than -1. So slope of the function is changing from positive to negative at x equals to -1. Okay, so what is this point?
Maxima.
So g dash x has maxima at x equals to -1, and maximum value will be equal to, when we will substitute, it is will be equal to 3, because my g, it is g or f. Okay, I have written g only. Okay, it is g only. Gx equals to minus of x plus 1 plus 3. So when we'll substitute -1 here, the maximum value will be 3 only. Question second, fourth part. So fx equals to mod of sine of 4x plus 3. Okay. Now sine of 4x plus 3 और उसका mod. So fx will
Third part.
what?
Third part.
Third part we have not done. Sorry. Right. 1 minute. So hx equals to sine of 2x plus 5. Okay. First, we're differentiating this. H dash x will be equal to sine x. Differentiation of sine x is cos x divided dx of 2x will be 2. Okay. Now, d by dx of 5 will be 0. Putting h dash x equals to 0, that is equal to 2 cos 2x equals to 0. Cos 2x equals to 0. Cos is 0 when it is multiple of pi by 2. So 2x equals to pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2 and so on. Okay, so x can be written as pi by 4, 3 pi by 4 and so on. We can write the values. Okay, clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now finding second derivative of this h double dash x d by dx of 2 cos 2x will be 2. D by dx of cos 2x is sin 2x into d by dx of 2x will be again 2. So that is equal to minus of 4 sin 2x. Okay, this is h double dash x. Okay, now we'll substitute these values. H double dash x at x equals to pi by 4. Okay, so when we'll substitute pi by 4 here, it is minus 4 sin 2 into pi by 4, that is equal to pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1, so this is minus 4. Second derivative is coming negative at x equals to pi by 4. So negative means it is less than 0. So that means maxima at x equals to pi by 4 and maximum value will be equal to sine of 2 into pi by 4 plus 5. So that is equal to sine pi by 2, that is 1. So 1 plus 5, that is equal to 6. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? Okay. Now h double dash x, okay, at x equals to 3 pi by 4. Okay, so that means minus of 4 sine of 2 into 3 pi by 4, that is equal to 2. Okay, so this is sine 270, that is equal to minus 1. Okay, that is plus 4. Okay, ये है साइन 270. ठीक है, तो साइन 270 की एक्चुअली साइन वेव ऐसी होती है. ओके, ये है 0, ये है पाई बाई 2, दिस इज पाई, दिस इज 3 पाई बाई 2 एंड दिस इज 2 पाई, दिस इज प्लस 1, दिस इज माइनस 1. तो जो साइन की वैल्यू है 3 पाई बाई 2, इस पे ये वैल्यू होती है, दैट इज माइनस 1. ओके, सो साइन 3 पाई बाई 2 इज minus 1, so it was minus 4 and minus 1, so it is plus 4. Okay, this is greater than 0. Okay, that means minimum value or minima occurs at 3 pi by 4 and minimum value of the function will be of hx at 3 pi by 4, that will be equal to sine of 2 into 3 pi by 4 plus 5, that is equal to 2 sine 3 pi by 2, that is sine 270, that is equal to minus 1 plus 5, that is equal to 4. Okay, so our answers are maximum value occurs at x equals to pi by 4 and maximum value is this. Okay, now minimum value occurs at 3 pi by 4 and minimum value is this. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fx equals to mod of sine 4x plus 3. Okay. If it is mod of sine 4x plus 3, so sine of 4x plus 3, its mod will always be positive. Mod of something will always be positive. Okay. So fx is equal to sine 4x plus 3. We can take this way only. Okay. F dash x will be equal to d by dx of sine 4x, that will be equal to cos of 4x into 4. Okay. So when we'll put f dash x equals to 0, that is 4 cos 4x equals to 0, or 4x will be equal to cos is 0 means multiples of pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 and so on. Okay. So x will be equal to pi by 8, 3 pi by 8. Okay. Now f double dash x. F double dash x will be
minus 16.4x.
Give me 1 minute. F double dash x. So this will be equal to minus of 16 sine 4x. Okay. Now substituting at x equals to pi by 8. So f double dash x, pi by 8 means sine pi by 2. It will be less than 0. It will be negative. If f double dash x is negative, that means maxima at x equals to pi by 8. Okay. So value of maxima will be equal to substituting pi by 8 in the fx. Okay. That is equal to sine of 4 into pi by 8, that is equal to pi by 2 plus 3. So that is sine pi by 2 is 1. So that will be 4 only. Okay. So the maximum at x equals to pi by 8 and maximum value is this. Okay.
Yes.
Now at x equals to 3 pi by 8. F double dash x, when we will substitute 3 pi by 8, it will be equal to minus 16 sine of 4 into 3 pi by 8, that is equal to pi by 2. Sine 270 is minus, so this will become plus. It will be greater than 0. That means minima at x equals to 3 pi by 8 and value of minima, that will be equal to sine of 4 into 3 pi by 8 plus 3, that is equal to 3 pi by 2. Sine 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, that is equal to 2. Okay. So minima at x equals to 3 pi by 8 and value of minima is equal to